In front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Collections on the left. Then hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, use those dots at the top left corners. If you want to keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the top of Collections or at the bottom of Photos. Then choose Got It and tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!